Kukuma tend duond bura mar ODM oketo winjruok macholo nyime ajenda mag duond bura no bang' tho gai mar Raila Amolo Odinga. Bang' romo margi kawuono, jagoro maduong' mar ODM Edwin Sifuna osemo winjruok magiketo moriwo puodho Dr. Buro gi kaka ogai makojolo ikruok ne bago nyasi mar ringo higni 20 mar duond bura no. Nyasi ma kamago biro timore Mombasa chakre tarik 14 nyaka 16 dwe manyien. Motelo ne nyasi no, ODM bende obago rapar ne mosenindo Raila Amolo Odinga e counties mopogore opogore moriwo Homa Bay kod Migori. Ewi wach tiyo gi piny owacho ma William Ruto, ODM yango ni pod ngirore winjruok mar sirkand manywanda nyaka chop yiero mar higa mar 2027.
Given the love Right Honorable Raila had for ODM, we believe he has joined the nearest branch of ODM in heaven. We shall honor him here on earth by strengthening existing branches and opening new ones to allow as many of his supporters as possible stay closely with him via the party. That as part of the strengthening and spreading the reach of the party, the ODM at 20 celebrations will proceed on the 14th, 15th and 16th of November in Mombasa County, accompanied by activities aimed at cementing the unity and solidarity within the party. All committees that had been tasked with preparations for the events are asked to immediately resume those preparations, and the chairperson of the planning committee, the Honorable Junet, is here. Once again, ODM extends its condolences to the family of the Honorable Raila Odinga, his friends in Kenya and around the world, and to the people of Kenya.